Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce yourself. My name is Anwar Fatoni. Please student ID 90 66 50 42. Class 3B. Studi program multimedia informatic engineering. Majoring in information technology from Samarinda State Polytechnic College. Okay, this is my journal. This is my journal. Okay. Here I want to explain the little about the contents of the journal that I have taken with the title journal name Indonesia University of Education, Department of English Education, follow X year 2018. And with the title of the article, the efficacy of issue-based interactive games in fostering learning outcome of Indonesia as a young learners. And the researcher, the name of the researcher from the title of the journal is number 1 Ana Agung Winda, number 2 Imada Ningsih, and number 3 I Putu Murah Wage Yartawan. Okay, next, institution. The participant in the journal are number 1 Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris, number 2 Fakultas Bahasa and Seni, number 3 Universiti Pendidikan Ganesha Singharja Indonesia. Okay, next, participants. For the participant in the journal are that were collected from a retest and to post test. The researcher referred the student learning outcome improves from a means of 66 and 63 in the pre-test to 66 and 95 in first test 1 and to 81 for 45 11 in post test 2, and that the mean of the post test 2 is evidently higher than the passing grade sheet for the class with class 70 out of maximum score 100. Okay, next, aims. The research editor of the journal with the aim of the current study aiming to investigate how further information and communication technology basic educational games developed of one program by Radmi Ningsih and Mahadevi years 2060 are effective in fostering elementary school student English learning outcome. Next, material. And for the material in question is as topic was delivered into making in which the two issue-based interactive games were implemented. And that E, subject and object of the study. The subject of the study were 50 graders in the class understudy comprising 30 males and 6 females. Okay. And B, methods of the collection. The data in the study were collected through the result of tests. One present to know the student initial English competency and to post tests as administered after the teaching of the two topics to measure the student learning outcome. And C, data analysis. To find answer the aim of the current study, the data collection will analyze descriptive value. Next, instrument. The instrument used to collection research data is the paper. The effectiveness of the exhibition games was present technical data were collection from a pre-test and to post the test. Next, reserve collection product, reserve feelings. Based on the result of the pre-test and post-test, clearing outcome intellectual cycle from 66 and 63 to 66 and 95, or the maximum score 100. Where the Western 81 and not the relevant. From the main, it is clear that the main of post 2 was above the passing grade set. Okay, next, the last suggestion from the other for further research. From the feeding and discussion of the feeding, some suggestion plot were put forward. Please, given the positive efficacy of the exhibition, interactive games in the current operates for improving student learning motivation, problem solving competence, and learning advanced education technology and suggestivity. Okay, that summary of my journal. The stress, I'm sorry, and there are not present, and my language is not good. Please understand. And it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.